Alright, in this video we're going to work on our chat list. Here, if you can see, if I send a message saying hello, you see here the red status is marked as red, but here on the left side is nothing is changing, like it's not marking as red or not. So we're gonna work on that in this video. So let's go back in here. If you see this private echo, we can just copy all of it. Let's open our chat list, the blade file, go to the top. Inside the init here, down below, we can paste that. Let's remove the last if there. Right, so here it's going to be message read. Here you can copy that, or message sent. In here we just want to do one command. Here it's going to be window livewire.emit refresh. This is just going to refresh the component by calling the refresh in the backend here, chat list, by calling this one. So now, after doing that, we can now go, okay, after refreshing the page. So now let's see if it's going to be updated here on the left as we send a new message. Here, hello. Again, let's watch here. Awesome. You see, now our chat list has been updated in real time after the message has been read. So I think that's it for this video. I'll see you in the next one.